Now the topic is liver function test. Function of the liver. Secretory function, pigment metabolism by converting bilirubin, detoxification and protect function, liver Kupffer cells by phagocytosis, storage function of liver, glycogen, vitamin A and vitamin B12, handling of enzyme ALT, AST, ALP, metabolic function, galactose to glucose, fructose, and miscellaneous function, blood formation in embryo, excretory function, bromothallium BSP, Roche-Bang dyes, synthesis of blood coagulation factor, 5th, 7th and 10th. So these are the liver function in our body. Biochemical diagnosis of liver disease aim at various goals: confirming or excluding hepatobiliary disease, screening, classify liver enzyme, example necroinflammatory, cholestatic, metabolic and infiltrative. Distinguish between a distinct hepatobiliary disease and a reactive hepatic lesion in or disorder of other organs or system. Evaluating etiology, estimate severity and prognosis, and following the course of disease and respond to treatment. These are the classification of LFT. First, test based on excretory function. Second, test based on synthetic function. Third, test based on metabolic function. Fourth, test based on detoxification function. Fifth, test based on enzyme activity. Test based on excretory function. First is abnormality of pigment metabolism. Second, dye excretion test. And abnormality of pigment metabolism, first is serum bilirubin, second is urine bilirubin, third is urine urobilinogen, fourth is urine bile salt. And dye excretion test is indocyanine green, first, second bromosulfophthalein BSP. First bilirubin form. Normal value 0.2 to 0.8 mg per dl. In adult, in newborn 0.8 to 12 mg. Critical value adult more than 12. Critical value newborn more than 15. And pre-hepatic unconjugated indirect bilirubin 0.2 to 0.7. Post-hepatic conjugated direct 0.1 to 0.4. And fecal urobilinogen 40 to 280. Urine 0.0 to 0.02 mg per dl. Causes of unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia. First, autoimmune hemolytic anemia. These are the example: cold reactive, drug induced, mixed type, warm reactive. Second is hemoglobin disorder like sickle cell anemia, thalassemia. Next, hereditary disorder of conjugation, Crigler-Najjar syndrome, Gilbert syndrome. Next, red blood cells enzyme disorder, glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase deficiency. And next is red blood cell enzyme disorder like glucosic phosphate isomerase deficiency, pyridoxine 5,6 nucleotide deficiency, pyruvate kinase deficiency, red blood cell membrane disorder. These are the example. Miscellaneous myelofibrotic neoplasma, myeloproliferative neoplasma. So these are the cause of unconjugated hyperbilirubinemia. And second table is causes of conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. This is the intrahepatic hepatocellular damage of intrahepatic cholestasis, viral hepatitis, hepatitis A, B, C, alcohol liver disease, and non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, drug-induced liver injury, sepsis, autoimmune disorder, and ischemic hepatitis, genetic hepatitis disease like Wilson disease, hemochromatosis, intrahepatic mass lesion like hepatocellular carcinoma and metabolic disease. So these are the causes of conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. Extrahepatic, these are intrahepatic and extrahepatic cholestasis, cholelithiasis, biliary stricture, biliary vascular fistula, biliary atresia, cholangitis, cystic chronic pancreatitis, gallbladder carcinoma, cholangiocarcinoma, pancreatic tumor, infectious, HIV, AIDS. So these are the example of conjugated hyperbilirubinemia. Determination of serum bilirubin. Direct Van der Waals reaction. It reacts with bilirubin and form azobilirubin. Urine urobilinogen. Any bilirubin found in urine is conjugated. This is most important, and notice any bilirubin found in urine is conjugated. Presence of bilirubinemia indicate hepatobiliary pathology. Tested by diagnostic test and increase in hemolysis. In cholestatic jaundice, urobilinogen disappear from urine. Second, test based on serum enzyme. Increased liver enzyme in serum are due to increased release of cytosolic and mitochondrial enzyme from injury hepatocytes, increased enzyme synthesis with consequent release or diminished enzyme clearance. Serum enzyme test can be grouped in two categories. Whose elevation reflected damage to hepatocytes, whose elevation reflect cholestasis. So these are two types. Markers of hepatic necrosis, aminotransferase, AST and ALT. So GOT, glutamate oxalate transferase site liver, also occur in liver, but it also present in skeletal and cardiac muscles, kidney, brain, pancreas, intestine, leuko and erythrocytes. AST not a liver specific, location in hepatocytes, mitochondria 70% and in the cytoplasm 30%. ALT, alkaline aminotransferase, old term glutamate pyrotransferase GPT. ALT is found nearly exclusively in the liver. ALT may be regarded as a largely liver specific. Site in cytoplasm, high negative predictive value. Normal ALT level might miss patient with subclinical liver disease, as in seen, for example, in chronic hepatitis C infection or non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The diagnostic sensitivity of AST for liver disease lower than the of ALT. However, neither aminotransferase is diagnosed specific. Normal level 10 to 40 international unit per liter. The ratio of AST-ALT may serve as a crude parameter for judging liver damage. Acute hepatocellular damage ALT increase compared to AST. AST and ALT less than 1 in chronic viral hepatitis, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. AST-ALT more than 2:1 ratio alcoholic liver disease. So these are the ratio in find out liver condition and disease. Value less than 1 suggests minor liver injury, while an increase more than 1 to 2 occur in severe chronic necroinflammatory liver disease, such as for example in chronic viral hepatitis and in chloride alcoholic hepatitis. Normal aminotransferase level do not exclude chronic liver disease. Advanced burnout liver cirrhosis is associated with a marked decrease in ALT synthesis. Thus, low normal aminotransferase level may be seen in longer standing liver cirrhosis. Fluctuating aminotransferase level with period of normal value may be seen in chronic viral hepatitis despite ongoing necroinflammation. Enzymes that reflect cholestasis, alkaline phosphate, gamma glutamate transferase, 5 nucleotides. Alkaline phosphate normal level 40 to 140 international per liter. In a healthy person, liver more than 17 isoform and bone are the most important source. Alkaline phosphate is localized with the hepatocytes and in the canalicular membrane. Biliary obstruction increase pressure in the biliary system and elevate concentrations of bile acid. All stimulate alkaline phosphate synthesis. Liver alkaline phosphate is an indicator of cholestasis, and increased level are found in all forms of cholestasis. The diagnostic sensitivity of alkaline phosphate in cholestatic liver disease is 80 to 100%. Elevated alkaline phosphate level in serum do not differentiate between intra and extrahepatic cholestasis. It is the important if there is an increase in GT activity associated with elevated level, there is a high there is a high probability that the liver is the source of increased serum alkaline phosphate level. If alkaline phosphate levels are disproportionately high, more than 1000 compared to bilirubin concentration, glomerular disorder, tuberculosis, cirrhosis, or infiltrative lesion, tumor abscess should be considered. Elevated AP level in serum do not differentiate between intra and extrahepatic cholestasis. If there is an increase in GT activity associated with elevated level, there is a high probability that the liver is the source of increased serum AP level. If AP level are disproportionately high, more than 1000 compared to the bilirubin concentration, glomerular disorders, sarcoidosis, tuberculosis, or infiltrative lesion, tumor abscess should be considered. In primary biliary cirrhosis and in primary sclerosing cholangitis, level of AP and GGT are disproportionately high compared to aminotransferase concentration. As nucleotides in the hepatocytes, it is primarily associated with theca canicular and sinusoid membrane, but is also found in the lysosome and in other intercellular compartment. 5-NT is an indicator of cholestasis, however it is less sensitive than AP. High positive predictive value for the presence of liver metastasis. No induction of 5-NT synthesis by drug or ethanol. Gamma glutamine transferase. Gamma glutamine is not a liver specific. In the hepatocyte, gamma glucosidase is a membrane bound enzyme. Even minor cell injury cause release of gamma glutamine transferase into extracellular space. It is a very sensitive indicator of liver injury that, however, lacks specificity. If increased gamma glutamine activity is accompanied by a rise in other liver specific enzyme ALT, GLT, elevate gamma glutamine transferase level may be interpreted as a sign of liver damage. More important than the interpretation of isolated increase of GGT level is the high negative predictive value of the enzyme. Measuring isolate GGT level has no clinical significance. In alcoholic liver disease, elevation of GGT activity is sensitive but non-specific parameter.